Welcome to How to Deliver Your Bonus, Secrets to More Commissions. Don't make your customers wait to get access to your bonus. Delivering your bonus to your customers serves multiple purposes. Immediate access shows you deliver what you promise. Second, you can use bonus delivery to your advantage to create more affiliate sales. Buyers will be very excited to receive the special bonus that they will receive and perhaps the primary reason why they purchased through your affiliate link. Aside from other marketing strategies, delivering your bonus on time is the best way to earn their trust and support. In fact, as much as you want more customers and prospects to come, keeping the same buyers is even better. And giving them disappointment by giving the promised bonus late would certainly hurt your business and reputation. Be extra careful and be responsible. You can use different methods to delivering your bonus content to your buyers and deliver them in a timely manner. You can do it manually through email. When a purchase of a product is made, make sure to ask them for a receipt or any other proof of payment for the purchased product and let them send it to you via email. Then you can deliver the bonus through email as well. The other way to do this is through automation. By using popular marketplace websites, your customers can be directed to a bonus page where the buyer can claim their bonuses immediately. Though it is more effort and a little bit more expensive than going manually, you will need automation to make things easier for you, especially once you start making thousands of sales. Using a membership site to deliver your bonuses is an underutilized method that can create more affiliate sales after the initial promotion. Because your bonuses are hosted and delivered from one location, your customers will now be able to see all your other affiliate bonuses and potentially buy other products through your affiliate links from within the bonus delivery membership site. As your affiliate business grows, this is a great way to be able to duplicate successful promotions and delivery pages. You might be adventurous and try and win affiliate contests. Product vendors organize affiliate contests as a competition where the one with the most number of sales in a given time period will win a prize. These are used as incentives by vendors to increase the number of affiliates that support and get on board during their product launches. In order to increase your sales for the affiliate contest, you can use the scarcity factor as your sales technique. This technique creates a sense of urgency for customers to purchase a product through your affiliate link by presenting it as a limited or short period of time offer. A good strategy is to join forces with other affiliates to create super bonuses to increase your sales, and as a team, you can win the affiliate contest to put some extra cash in your pockets. You have extra value in your bonuses because you're leveraging each other's efforts. Lastly, being one of a kind is a characteristic that your bonus offers must have. Making the bonus rare or making it hard to find in other places is actually a great advantage. The reason is that an exclusive bonus offer will contribute to the product's value, making it more desirable. The simple idea is to offer the customer something that they can't find with other affiliates. In other words, be different to make your products in demand and necessary. If your product would be just something very ordinary, then it would not naturally make a great sale. If your product would be just something very ordinary, then it would not naturally make a great sale. Your bonus offer is not only good for a one-time promotion. Remember, you have spent a lot of time and effort in formulating ideas and getting necessary things done to come up with such a great offer. If you're going to duplicate the same great offer for another promotion, you will surely save time and energy for not doing the same things over again. Nevertheless, you can use the same offer with the same great results if you have made it doable with other promotions. Have you decided what form of bonus you're going to take? Your next step is to learn how to distribute your bonuses to your customers. This is the time you can do your responsibility of fulfilling your promises, fulfilling the bonus. Before you give access to your awesome bonus, you need to verify that the customer actually purchased through your affiliate link. Although manually verifying transactions seems to be a time-consuming task, it is important to ensure that you are not giving access to those who did not purchase through your affiliate link. This is not fair to those that actually purchased through you. Have a customer submit a support ticket requesting access to your bonus. Have them submit their purchase transaction information so you can verify their purchase. Once you have verified the transaction, simply create a username and password for the user and send them the login details through the support ticket. That's it. Now remember, deliver your bonus quickly to your customers. Don't make the mistake of being slow here. If you break their trust, you have lost them forever. Use this opportunity to build the relationship and increase your commissions. Now, I'm going to leave you with a final quote. The trouble is, if you don't risk anything, you will risk even more. I'll see you in the next video.